Hey everyone, happy spring. This is Nathaniel from Mapline, and today we're going to jump into the updates for March. Let's do it. First up, routing. We've added some advanced routing options. So I'm going to expand those options here, and you'll see that we have breaks and time windows now. Breaks let you set within the route a period where no one's driving, so a 60-minute break for lunch, for example. And then time windows are when can the locations be visited? When can you arrive? So you have to arrive between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. You can type those in here or select it from your data set. That's awesome. Next up, we have some logics that are not possible in Excel, but they are in Mapline. Specifically, is not contained in, does not begin with, and does not end with. So right now, I'm pulling in the name of a Home Depot store that is not contained in the current list of stores supplied. Fancy. Next up, we've added some validation settings for our forms. So in my zip code question, I only want people to be able to type in 5 characters. And for my checkbox question, I only want people to be able to select 1 language or 2 languages. No more, no less, or no más. And finally, our dynamic data columns can bring in multiple results, not just one. Instead of just bringing in the nearest store, if I wanted to, I could bring in all stores, right here, all stores within 1 mile. That's awesome. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, I'll see you next month.